Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my list could build a castle. Some nights I wish they'd just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see August. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore. Boys, this is war. What are we waiting for? Why don't we break these rules already? I was never one to believe the hype. Say that for the black and white. I tried twice as hard and I'm half as liked. And here they come again to jack my style. That's alright. I found a martyr in my bed tonight. He stops my bones from wondering just who I am, who I am, who I am. Oh, am I? Some nights I wish that this all would end, 'cause I could use some friends for a change. And some nights I scared you'll forget me again. Some nights I always win, but I still wake up, I still see August. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know. So come on. Yeah, that is it, boys. That is all. 5 minutes in and I'm bored again. 10 years of this and I'm not sure if anybody understands. This one is not for the folks at home. Sorry to leave, Mom, I had to go. Who the fuck wants to die alone? All dried up in the desert sun. Heart's breaking for my sister and the kind that she called love. Then I look into my nephew's eyes. Man, you wouldn't believe the most amazing things that could come from